I will show you one task today. That is like you need to create new table which is supposed to act as a parking table for all your measures. You can name the table as a all measures so that we will understanding what it hold for you. Okay. So let understanding this recommend why it is creating all measures. Suppose we are creating the multiple measures in whatever we are recommend based on that we are already creating in the project all measures in the different tables, right? We have to put in one place. It will be easy to understanding the what type of measures we will using in the particular reports. That purpose you have to using in the you have to using in the you create a new table. Okay. So I hope you understanding this logic. So let understanding in the practical. Okay, just go in the Power BI desktop. Just open the Power View. This is the Power View, right? Hope you understand all, guys. You know also. And first go to Home tab. Here, enter the data table. Just click on that. Once you click on that, it's a column name. You name it as a all measures. All measures. Okay, all measures. Okay, then load. You name it whatever name if you want to. Okay. So once you create the all measures, just go to whatever we already have in the measures columns. Profit is a measure column, sales is a measure column, quantity is measure column. That type of whatever we have measures in the table in the data pane, we put into one place. Just click on the total profit. Okay, just just put on one topic. Okay, here we will get home table, right? You just be creating all measures. Okay, just select it. It comes and select another one total profit also. This is a home table, right? This is the sales data. You have to select all measures. Okay, which comes on under the whatever we are. Okay, put into all measures columns. See, this is all measures. Just we are put into all measures is total profit and total quantity. Like that we are creating all measures into one table. I hope you understanding all, guys. Understanding it. Thank you for watching this video.